Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clean your Apple iPhone using a cleaning cloth. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself and the cleaning cloth. So now we can take the iPhone out of the case. How do we do that? Very simple. And now we need to analyze the mobile phone itself. The screen looks very dirty. And the camera itself may have some dirt on there too. So in this tutorial, we will show you how to clean the iPhone itself. If I just turn the iPhone off, and then we are now able to use the cleaning cloth on the iPhone, on the sides, on the bottom, Touch ID, on the back, on the camera itself, the phone itself looks very clean now. We can put this back into the case. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.